What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can run Java on your macOS. To run Java on your Mac, you need something called JDK. So head over to your web browser and search for Java JDK. You will get this link from Oracle. The first result, click on it. Now scroll down till you see your operating systems listed. So mine is macOS, so let's just select the macOS. Now here we need to choose the correct installer based on our chip. To know that, click on this Apple logo up here and click on about this PC and you'll see the chip that you are using. I'm using the Apple M1 Pro, which means this is an ARM based chip. So all the M1, M2, they're ARM based chips. If you are using Intel based chips, you'll select the x64 based installer. So mine is ARM based, so I'm just going to download this ARM64 DMG installer. You can see the download has begun. Let's wait. After the download is done, let's click on it. You can see we get this jdk.pkg file. Double click and you will see this installer. Click on continue, click on allow, click on continue and click on install. Now give your password and install the software. And you can see the install has succeeded. Let's close it. I'm just going to move to bin. And now to test it, let's go back into terminal and enter this command, Java. Now you'll see a bunch of stuff here, which means that Java is successfully installed on our Mac. Let me just close this and let me open up Visual Studio Code. You can see I have this basic main.java file which prints out hello world to the console. So I'll try to compile it first. Java C main.java. You can see the code is compiled. Now I can say Java main and I get hello world. So yeah, this was basically a simple program to test if it works. You can see that Java is successfully running on our Mac OS. So this is it for this video. I hope this was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below.